Hello friends, welcome to a new video. In this video, I will show you what's new in the Flutter 3.3 release as fast as possible. So keep watching. Flutter 3.3 release with the update to the Flutter web, desktop, text handling, improvement in the performance and more. There are also new update to the Go Router package, DevTools and VS Code extension. So keep watching this video to learn more. If you find this helpful, like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified every time we upload a video. Let's get started with the first update. Framework updates. The framework got a global selection update. The selectable area widget is introduced and any child widget of the selectable area widget is enabled for free. To use this powerful new feature, you can simply wrap your route body such as scaffold with the selection area widget and let Flutter do the rest. Let's move on to the next update. Trackpad input. Flutter 3.3 now has support for trackpad input with smoother control, reduced misinterpretation and more. After installing Flutter 3.3, now the trackpad correctly scroll the list because Flutter provides a scrolling gesture. The next update is about Scribble. All thanks to the contribution by community member for the Scribble handwriting input update. It's got an Apple Pencil on iPad OS. It is enabled by default on Cupertino text field and editable text. Just update to the Flutter 3.3 to get this feature. The next update is about text input. Flutter 3.3 now supports rich text editing with the ability to get granular text update from text input plugin. The next update is about new Material 3 design components. This release got updates like icon buttons, chips and variants for app bar as you can see on the screen. Desktop and window also got new updates. Now window desktop can be set from project file subspec.yaml. It's make it easy to enable auto updates for end customers to get the latest app update when it is pushed. Let's move on the next update. The new update is about package Go Router. Flutter 3.3 got a new version of Go Router package, making it easy to design routing logic that works across desktop, mobile and web. VS Code extension and enhancement. There are new updates including improvements for adding dependencies and adding multiple and comma separated dependencies in one step with Dart Adder dependency. The next update is about Flutter DevTools. DevTools got a new updates about UX and performance improvement to display table faster with more streamlined scrolling of extensive list of events. Raster cache improvements. Flutter 3.3 increases performance when loading images from assets by deleting copies and reducing Dart garbage collection. Now with UI.ImmutableBuffer.FromAssets, images can be loaded directly from structures that are used for decoding. Well, this needs changes in the byte loading pipeline in image providers. As you can see on the screen, image loading time has been improved by 2x in benchmarks. Let's go to the next update. iOS pointer compression is disabled. In the previous version of Flutter, iOS pointer compression was enabled, but there was an optimization issue, so now it is disabled. Disabling it now increases memory consumption by Dart objects and the amount of memory available for non-Dart paths. Platform dispatcher.on error. In this release, you should catch all errors and exceptions instead of using custom zone by setting the platform dispatcher.on error callback. Another update is about fragment program changes. The Flutter manifest of an apps file will now automatically compile to the correct format so the engine can understand and bundle it with the app as an asset. Fractional translation. The pixel snapping was no longer necessary as there were problems with it. It is now removed in this Flutter 3.3 update to improve desktop fidelity. This update also stabilized the golden image test. The next update is about changes in supported platform. 32-bit iOS deprecation. In this release, there is no longer support for 32-bit iOS device and iOS version 9 and 10. Closing support for macOS 10.11 and 10.12. Flutter will drop support after Q4 2022. Stable release for macOS version 10.11 and 10.12. A minimum macOS version of 10.13 or higher will be required to support it. Bitcode deprecation. Bitcode will no longer be accepted in iOS app submission in the next Xcode 14 release, and Flutter will drop support for this same. So this is it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and got some excellent information about Flutter's new update. If you have any question, comment below or contact us. You can also check our detailed blog which you can find in the description. Keep watching our videos to get the latest update about framework, new releases, company updates and more. Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss our videos. Thank you for watching.